What's going on, guys? My name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Have you guys ever wondered how you can follow the moves of the best investors in the world like Warren Buffett? For example, just today, it was announced that Warren Buffett during the previous quarter created new positions in Chevron and Verizon Wireless. So you must be wondering, how do people find out what Warren Buffett bought during the quarter? Well, the answer is a 13F filing. A 13F filing is a filing that's required of anyone who manages greater than $100 million. The manager has to give a snapshot of their stock portfolio at the end of the quarter. So how can you guys find out what Warren Buffett and many of the other large institutional money managers are buying and selling? Head on over to fintel.io. This is a great website for financial information. In the top right, we hit the Tools button and we scroll down to 13F filing. Here you can see the most recent 13F filings by all the largest money managers in the world. We'll scroll down and find Berkshire Hathaway. Then we can click on 13F filing and we'll click on the most recent one. There's also a list of the previous 13F filings. And here you can see what a 13F filing looks like. You'll see what stocks he holds and how much he holds in them. So this information can be very, very useful, and a lot of people follow investors just like Warren Buffett. So whatever he buys during a quarter, other people will buy. That's why you saw the stocks of Chevron and Verizon Wireless going up today, because Warren Buffett announced that he had positions in them. Other popular investors like Carl Icahn sometimes will tweet about their investments, and this also will send stocks going up. Cathie Wood of the ARK Innovation ETF, she actually does something very unique where you can sign up for her email list and get a list of every trade that they make in all of their funds on a daily basis. This is very uncommon because the money managers do not have to do this. So a few things to keep in mind if you are going to follow a big investor into a position. First is that the 13F filing is from the previous quarter, so it's already happened. They may have bought the stock in January, but it doesn't get reported until sometime in March or April. Knowing this, it's important to remember that they may have gotten a much better price than you would if you were to buy in as soon as it was reported. Second thing I want you guys to keep in mind is the investor's time horizon of their investment. Warren Buffett has a very long time horizon, sometimes 5, 10, 15 years, and he's willing to ride through any ups and downs during that and sometimes buy more of the stock that he likes when it comes down. So it's important to know whether or not you have the same time horizon in your investments. The third thing I want you guys to do is try to understand why these investors bought into their position. Understanding why can give you guys an advantage in fighting off an investor's biggest enemy, emotions. Having the why behind your investment gives you guys the ability to ride through the ups and the downs because you know that the company is good and sometimes the sentiment around it just gets beaten down. Thank you guys for listening to this video, and if you enjoyed it and want to learn more about business and investing, comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and let's head on over to the next video.